Hey guys, I'm Asal, and in this video I want to talk about occupation in Persian. Okay, in this video I'm going to tell you how to ask someone what they do for a living and how to answer someone if they ask you what do you do for a living. Occupation in Persian is شغل or kar. Is what people do to make a living. Let's see how to say your occupation. In Persian, when you talk about your profession, you may just say man, am. Literally in English is I'm, but without using an article, unlike in English. For example, in English you say, I'm a police. A is an article. But in Persian, we don't say the article. We don't have it for saying the occupation or jobs, I mean. So if you want to say, I'm a police in Persian, you will say, man polisam. Let's see another example. She or he is an engineer. In Persian, we say او مهندس هست or او مهندس است. They are doctors. In Persian, we say آنها دکتر هستند or آنها دکترند. Notice that in such cases, the name of the job plus to be in Persian are helpful to talk about jobs. If you want to see the conjugations of the verb to be, you can see this video that I will put the links above here. Now let's see some examples and some sentences and how to ask someone's job and how to answer them. Let's see together. شغل شما چیست؟ شغل شما چیست؟ or شما چه کار می کنید؟ شما چه کار می کنید؟ Means what do you do for a living? Another way to ask someone's job or someone's occupation, you can say کجا کار میکنید؟ کجا کار میکنید؟ Where do you work? من مهندس کامپیوترم. من مهندس کامپیوترم. I'm a computer engineer. یک کار نیمه وقت دارم. یک کار نیمه وقت دارم. I have a part-time job. یک کار تمام وقت دارم. یک کار تمام وقت دارم. I have a full-time job. کارم را دوست دارم. کارم را دوست دارم. I like my job. چند ساعت در روز کار میکنی؟ چند ساعت در روز کار میکنی؟ How many hours a day do you work? شیفتی کار میکنی؟ شیفتی کار میکنی؟ Do you work on shifts? پسرم بیکار است. پسرم بیکار است. My son is unemployed or my son is out of work. پدرم بازنشسته است. پدرم بازنشسته است. My father is retired. او استعفا داد. او استعفا داد. He resigned. Okay guys, now you can write me in comments below شغلت چیه؟ کجا کار میکنی؟ The next video I will talk about some occupations in Persian. See you in the next videos. Goodbye. خداحافظ.